Hello friends, have a good time. Today we want to talk about a historical tourist place in Iran. This historical place is located in Isfahan province. Ali Qapu Palace is one of the most beautiful historical buildings left from the Safavid era and one of the most famous sites in Isfahan. Aali Qapo Palace is located on the west side of Naqsh Jahan Square in Isfahan and in front of Sheikh Lotfollah Mosque. In the past, Aali Qapo Mansion was also referred to as Dolatkhane Mubarake Naqsh Jahan and Dolatkhane Palace. Aali Qapo Palace has an area of 1,800 square meters, 6 floors and a height of 38 meters. Aali Qapo is the only building that stands out from the other buildings around the square. And it was considered a symbol of government power in its time, and with its beautiful architecture based on wood, it was considered one of the largest and most magnificent buildings of that era. During the Safavid era, the entrance gate of Aali Qapo Palace was the entrance gate to all the royal buildings in Naqsh Jahan Square. In order to show the power and glory of his government, Shah Abbas I of Safavid ordered the construction of Aali Qapo Palace. Important government meetings, reception of foreign guests and government ceremonies were held in this palace. Also, the balcony of this mansion was a place for Shah Abbas and his entourage to relax and watch the polo and horse riding competitions in Naqsh Jahan Square. Aali Qapo Mansion was highly respected during the time of Shah Abbas I, and it was not possible for everyone to pass through the entrance door of this building. When visiting Naqsh Jahan Square in Isfahan, this 6-story building attracts the attention of many tourists from the distant past until now. Aali Qapo Palace is known as the tallest palace of the Safavid era, which is reached by a narrow staircase from the ground floor to the upper floors. Climbing these stairs is a bit difficult due to their high height, but behind it, there is a beautiful porch with wooden columns, which is 20 meters high, and it is very pleasant to watch Naqsh Jahan Square from above. In this porch, you can see the Sheikh Lotfollah Mosque in front of you, the entrance to Kayseri on the left, and the Shah Mosque on the right. Aali Qapo Mansion is one of the most interesting historical buildings in Naqsh Jahan Square, Isfahan. Aali Qapo Mansion was built around 1054 AH, between 971 and 977 AH, by the order of Shah Abbas I, who was one of the most powerful kings of Iran. Of course, the completion of the details and decorations of Aali Qapo Mansion took place after the death of Shah Abbas. The Safavid Shah used to receive ambassadors and dignitaries in this palace. The complete construction of the Aali Qapo building and the completion of the interior decorations of this building took place during the reign of Shah Abbas I, Shah Abbas II and Shah Sultan Hussein. This period of time, during which the construction stages of the building have been going on intermittently, has lasted nearly 100 years. The foundation of the building goes back to the time of Shah Abbas I and II, and its restoration and decoration goes back to the reign of Shah Sultan Hussein. Aali Qapo Mansion is a 6-story building with a height of about 48 meters. Since you can see all the views of the city from the roof of the last floor, the roof itself is also considered as 1 floor, and some say that it is 7 floors. In this building, different floors are connected to each other by 3 staircases. On the first floor of Aali Qapo Mansion, 2 main halls can be seen, which were the place of administrative affairs during the Safavid era. In the past, this part was called Sadr Khana or Kashik Khana. What attracts attention in the facade of Aali Qapo building at first glance is the large porch with tall wooden columns. In Aali Qapo Palace, due to the special design of the building, the number of floors of the building looks different from different directions of the facade. This two-story building can be seen from Naqsh Jahan Square. If you look at Aali Qapo from both sides of the building, you will see 3 floors, and from the back view, this palace has 5 floors, but in fact, Aali Qapo mansion has 6 floors. Aali Qapo's planned design divides this mansion into 2 parts, the entrance to the palace and the main building. I hope you liked this video.